Hi friends, in case you are new here and are looking for healthy recipes that are delicious as well as visually appealing, then you have come to the right place. I make recipes that do not require any heating, just raw ingredients the way Mother Nature provided. That's how I have been living for over 2.5 years now. One cup of almonds. Take all the almonds into a food processor and process them until they are about powder, not a very fine powder, but coarse powder. Something like this with very small tiny pieces, very coarsely cut should be good enough. We will take all the almond powder into a bowl. Add a pinch of salt. This is just a taste enhancer. It will not make it salty, and that's not the idea. We'll now mix it well so that the salt is not staying at one place and is evenly distributed throughout the powder. We will add to this about 1/3 cup of peanut butter, and as needed we could add more, because depending on how liquidy is your peanut butter, you may be requiring less or more. I would start with 1/3 in this case. If you do not know how to make peanut butter, this can be very easily made at home. You may look up for my other video on this. So we need to make sure that this is thoroughly mixed. What happens is the almond powder will soak in the peanut butter, and then the whole thing will harden. That's the idea. With a clean washed hand, feel free to use your hand as well to mix the mixture thoroughly. We want to make sure that there is a uniform consistency so that the cookies can be formed with a good shape without any struggle at that time. Mixing well during this time will help a lot later when we actually make the cookies. Take a small quantity of the mixture that we made. Make a small ball, and then we'll press it in the shape of a cookie. These are thick, heavy cookies. Having 2-3 of them should provide a lot of energy and satisfaction when you have a snack or a meal. That's how it is. Peanuts have nutrients which are high in fat, protein, and some vitamins. In fact, these are like poor man's cashews. The nutrient composition of peanuts is somewhat closer to cashews, but significantly cheaper. So those who cannot afford cashews a lot, they can still get the same nutrition by having peanuts. Because these have healthy fats, it takes a long time to digest these. If you have 3-4 of these cookies, I think you will not be hungry for a fairly long time. They give lot of energy. Peanuts are also supposed to be having soft fiber, which will help clear the blood clots in the arteries. So they help people with heart diseases in a big way. Peanuts are extremely healthy. Do not hesitate to have them. But if you are weight conscious and you are already obese, then you may want to have some control on the amount of peanuts that you have. You may still have some. If you are having a health issue that prohibits you from eating something, I personally feel that you do not have to relinquish that completely. You have to take them in moderation. We will then add some cocoa powder as a topping for each of them. The reason why we are adding the cocoa powder on the top rather than mixing it while we are making the mixture, the dough, is because one, visually it is more appealing. I like to make foods which are visually appealing as well as tasty and fewer ingredients. That's my motto. So that is one reason why we are adding it on the top rather than mixing it. The second reason, which is also equally important, is when I taste something, I would like to have the individual taste of all of them independently rather than having one combined taste of all of them. So sprinkling it on the top and smudging them with fingers, which I would do now, will give that nice bite feeling. When somebody is biting into the cookie, he will have the bitterness of the cocoa occasionally and also the sweetness of the peanut butter, the goodness of almonds. Almonds do not have a very strong taste of themselves, but they are extremely good for brain power. The memory power increases so much. I have been one of those people who always had a challenge remembering the poems during my childhood. I would rather stand up on the bench than try to recite the poems taken as a homework. I always felt my memory power was too weak to be able to remember a whole poem. And that's how all my life has been. But then there was a period when I had actually taken almonds in a very systematic manner for some time, and then the mind power has improved so much, my brain power, memory power has improved so much that I was able to remember 10 mobile numbers pretty easily. I would look at it once and then was able to remember all of them. So I have personal experience in confirming that almonds help memory power in a big way. So here are those beautiful cookies that we made just now. It just took me about 11 minutes to finish this. Imagine, it is so easy to make this. Now the cocoa powder that I have used in this case is not my regular brand. We got some other brand this time at home, and this happens to be a little darker than to my preference. It is a little less chocolatey, but nevertheless, hey, it is cocoa. Cocoa is always tasty, and this is no exception. So here you are. Go ahead and make your own cookies in about 10 minutes time. It's that simple. I hope you have enjoyed watching this. If you did, please do not forget to click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done, and click on that notification bell so you get notified whenever I post new videos. I post a lot of them. I focus on fewer ingredients and tasty, delicious, visually appealing, simple, raw foods that are healthy. You may want to try at least some of them. Thanks for your time.